The tech world has been obsessed with AI, chatbots, image generators, you name it. For years, companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI have been racing to push the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can do. We've seen AI write stories, generate art, and even hold conversations that feel almost human. It's been a whirlwind of innovation, hype, and sometimes confusion about what's actually useful. But Apple? Silent. Until now. While the rest of the industry made headlines with flashy AI demos, Apple quietly watched from the sidelines, perfecting its own approach. In mid-2025, Apple finally unveiled Apple Intelligence. This wasn't just another product launch, it was Apple's bold entry into the generative AI race, and it sent shockwaves through the tech community. When Apple enters a new space, they don't just join, they aim to redefine it. Think about the iPhone, the iPad, or the Apple Watch. Each time, Apple took an existing idea and made it feel essential, intuitive, and frankly cool. This isn't just another chatbot, it's a reimagining of how you interact with your devices. Apple Intelligence is designed to blend seamlessly into your daily life, making technology feel more like a helpful companion than a tool you have to manage. Apple's used AI for years, Face ID, photo organization, but this is their leap into generative AI, the kind that creates, writes, and understands context. Now your iPhone, iPad, and Mac can help you draft emails, summarize articles, and even generate images, all with a deep understanding of your preferences and habits. The challenge? Integrating powerful AI without sacrificing Apple's signature simplicity or privacy. Apple's reputation is built on making complex technology feel effortless, and on keeping your data safe. With Apple Intelligence, they're promising to do both. No easy feat in a world where AI often means sending your information to the cloud. Apple Intelligence is built right into iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia, not a separate app, but a smart layer across your entire device. It's always there, ready to help, whether you're writing, searching, or just trying to get things done faster. It's designed to be ambient, helpful, and invisible until you need it. You won't have to learn a new app or change your habits. Apple Intelligence adapts to you, working quietly in the background. Think of it as a personal assistant that knows your context, your data, and your needs, without sending everything to the cloud. Most of the processing happens right on your device, so your private moments stay private. Apple's goal, not just the most powerful AI, but the most personal and private. They want you to trust that your information is safe, even as your devices get smarter and more capable. Over the next few scenes, we'll break down what Apple Intelligence is, what it can do, who can use it, and how it stacks up. We'll look at real-world examples, explore its features, and see how it compares to the competition. This is a pivotal moment for Apple and its users. The company is betting big that AI can be both powerful and private, and that it can make your devices feel more personal than ever before. The promise? Smarter, more helpful, and more personal tech. If Apple gets this right, it could change the way we think about AI in our everyday lives. Let's see if Apple delivers. Stay tuned, because the future of AI on your devices might just be getting started. So, what exactly is Apple Intelligence? It's Apple's bold new step into the world of artificial intelligence, but with a twist that's uniquely Apple. Unlike traditional AI tools you might have heard about, Apple Intelligence isn't just a chatbot or a single app you download. Instead, it's a deeply integrated suite of AI-powered features, woven right into your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. It's designed to work seamlessly across all your Apple devices, making your experience smarter, more intuitive, and more personal than ever before. Apple Intelligence understands language, images, and even your personal context, like your schedule, your contacts, and your habits, to help you with everyday tasks. But what truly sets it apart is its unwavering focus on privacy. Thanks to Apple's powerful chips, most AI processing happens directly on your device. This means your private information, like your messages, photos, and emails, never has to leave your phone, tablet, or computer. Apple doesn't build a cloud profile about you. Your emails, messages, and photos stay securely on your device under your control. You don't have to worry about your personal data being used to target ads or sold to third parties. For more complex tasks that require extra computing power, Apple uses something called private cloud compute. Here, your data is encrypted, never stored, and the code running on Apple's servers can be independently verified by security experts. This ensures that even when your device needs help from the cloud, your privacy is never compromised. This hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds: the speed and privacy of on-device AI, plus the power and flexibility of the cloud when it's truly needed. It's a system designed to be both smart and safe. Apple Intelligence isn't about flashy tech demos or futuristic promises. It's about practical, everyday features that actually make your life easier, like organizing your photos, summarizing your emails, or helping you remember important details, all while respecting your privacy at every step. It's smart enough to know which mom you mean when you send a message or which friend you're talking about when you ask for a photo. It can find photos from even the vaguest descriptions like that beach trip last summer and bring up exactly what you're looking for. And it does all this without exposing your data to anyone, not even Apple. You get the help you need without giving up your privacy. This is Apple's core philosophy, personal intelligence, built on a foundation of privacy. It's about empowering you with technology that works for you, not against you. That's what truly sets Apple apart from other tech giants, who often put data collection and advertising first. The result? AI that feels like it's truly yours. Personal, private, and powerful. No trade-offs, no compromises. That's the Apple difference, and it's changing what we expect from technology. Can your device run Apple Intelligence? Here's the catch. Only the latest hardware makes the cut. For iPhones, you'll need an iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or any iPhone 16 model. A 17 Pro chip or newer. Standard iPhone 15? Sorry, not enough power. On iPad and Mac, you'll need Apple Silicon, M1 or newer. This ensures smooth private AI without draining your battery. It's a tough cutoff, but it guarantees performance and privacy. Check your device before you get excited. Let's dive into some of the most exciting features Apple Intelligence brings to your device. First up, writing tools, a set of smart capabilities designed to make your everyday writing smoother, faster, and more effective. These tools are available everywhere you write. Whether you're composing an email in Mail, jotting down ideas in Notes, working on a project in Pages, or even using your favorite third-party apps. Just highlight any text, and Apple Intelligence steps in. Instantly, you can ask it to rewrite your message, adjust the tone to be more formal or friendly, or summarize long paragraphs into concise points. It's like having a personal editor in your pocket. It proofreads your writing, polishes your grammar, and helps you communicate your ideas more clearly. No extra effort required. Next, let's talk about the Image Wand in Notes, a creative tool that brings your sketches and ideas to life. Draw a quick sketch and watch as the Image Wand transforms your rough outline into a polished, professional-looking image in seconds. Or if you have an idea in mind, just type a text prompt. The Image Wand will generate original digital art for you right on the spot. No artistic skills required. It's like having a mini artist living inside your device, ready to help you visualize your thoughts and make your notes more engaging. And then there's Genmoji, a whole new way to express yourself. Ever struggled to find the perfect emoji to match your mood or message? With Genmoji, that's a thing of the past. Just describe what you want, like a T-Rex in a tutu or a pizza with sunglasses, and your device will create a brand new custom emoji just for you. You can use Genmoji in messages, or even base them on photos of your friends, making your conversations more personal and fun than ever before. These features aren't just about having fun, they're about making your device a true reflection of your creativity and personality, helping you connect in new ways. Apple's approach to AI isn't about flashy gimmicks, it's about making your daily tasks easier, your messages more expressive, and your creative projects more enjoyable. Whether you're writing a report, sketching a new idea, or texting a friend, Apple Intelligence is always there to lend a hand, seamlessly integrated into your workflow. It's practical, playful, and designed to fit naturally into your life, making every interaction with your device more meaningful. That's the magic of Apple's thoughtful approach. Technology that feels personal, intuitive, and just a little bit magical. And this is just the beginning. Let's see what else Apple Intelligence can do to transform your experience. Apple Intelligence transforms how you manage photos and notifications. The Photos app now lets you search with natural language, Maya snowboarding in a red jacket, and finds the exact moment even within videos. The new cleanup tool removes unwanted objects from photos with a simple circle and tap, seamlessly filling in the background. Priority notifications use on-device AI to highlight what matters most. Urgent texts rise above sales alerts. Missed notifications get a quick summary instead of a flood of alerts. AI shortcuts let you chain actions. Grab an address from a text, get directions, and send an ETA all at once. Record, transcribe, and summarize audio in Notes, perfect for students and pros. All these features work together, powered by Apple Intelligence. Your device becomes smarter, more organized, and more helpful. It's all about making your digital life easier, and it's just the beginning. Siri just got its biggest upgrade ever. Powered by Apple Intelligence, Siri now understands natural conversational language. It's aware of what's on your screen. Add an address from a text, play a podcast your friend sent, or find photos from last fall, all with simple voice commands. Siri finally gets context, making interactions smoother and more intuitive. It's personal. Siri knows your data but keeps it private. If Siri can't answer, it seamlessly taps into ChatGPT for broader knowledge. No extra accounts needed. Your privacy stays intact, and you're always in control. This new Siri isn't just smarter, it's actually useful. It's ready to compete with the best assistants out there. For the first time, you might actually want to use Siri every day. Apple's assistant just became indispensable. Try it and see the difference. Ready to try Apple Intelligence? Here's how. It's built into iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia, rolling out as a public beta in fall 2025. Update your device, then opt in to activate Apple Intelligence. Expect a welcome screen explaining privacy and features before you start. Not every feature will be available on day one. Apple will refine and expand over time. Back up your device before updating, especially if you try the beta. ChatGPT integration arrives later in 2025. Update, opt in, and watch Apple Intelligence evolve. Who gets Apple Intelligence first? At launch, it's US English only. Even with the right device and software, you'll need to set your language to US English for full features. This lets Apple perfect the experience before expanding. Other languages and regions will roll out through 2026. Expect Spanish, German, French, Japanese, Mandarin, and more. If you're outside the US or use another language, you'll have to wait or switch your device language. It's a slow rollout, but quality comes first. Apple's goal, global access, but starting local. The promise is worldwide, but the reality is gradual. Stay tuned as Apple expands support. The future is coming, just not everywhere at once. The AI showdown is here. Apple versus Google versus Samsung. Apple's edge, privacy. Most AI runs on your device, not in the cloud. Google's Gemini is powerful, but your data goes to their servers. Great features, less privacy. Samsung's Galaxy AI mixes on-device and cloud, but still leans on Google's tech. Apple's hybrid model, on-device plus private cloud compute, aims for cloud power without privacy trade-offs. Integration is Apple's strength. AI features feel native, not bolted on. Google's Gemini is versatile, but Android's fragmentation means the experience varies. Samsung's AI is good, but not as deeply woven into the system. Apple isn't chasing benchmarks, it's focused on practical, personal, and private AI. ChatGPT integration gives Apple a boost for complex tasks, without building everything from scratch. It's a battle of philosophies, raw power versus privacy and polish. That's Apple Intelligence, a thoughtful, privacy-first AI woven into your devices. Apple's bet, the best AI is the one that lives on your device, helping in small, meaningful ways without compromising your privacy. The features are practical: better writing, smarter photo search, magical cleanup, and a Siri that finally delivers. It's not about replacing you, it's about making your life easier. There are limits, strict hardware requirements, slow language rollout, and a beta phase with some bumps ahead. But the direction is clear. This is the future of iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Now it's your turn. Which feature are you most excited to try? Writing tools, Genmoji, a smarter Siri? Let us know in the comments. Personal tech is changing fast, and Apple's taking a bold step forward. We'll be watching to see how it shapes the way we use our devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Tech Think for more. See you next time.